First, basic 2, 3. Prepare the lady for a double turn. As she's turning, put her hand behind her back, slide it, and catch it again. Now here we're going to use our wrist with a circular motion, hook, and catch the lady here. Then we bring behind us, thumb up, and we roll around the lady. Now we're going to use a technique with a double preparation, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do double, one more time, into sedenta position. I'll go this side for the next part. You're going to twist the lady's arm, and 1, twist, throw, and catch. That way, let's see it this way, because I know from this side you can't see. 1, twist, throw, and catch. Lift for a turn. Hands are crossed. Now you can push with your right and exchange back to back. Over with the right, over with the left, 7 down. 1, 2, 3, pass her. Now watch here guys, you want to go right into the armpit. It might feel difficult in the beginning, and then open up to Titanic. Let's finish this baby. Basic, 1.5 turn. Look at the right hand, you want to turn and lock on the outside. Ask underneath, open into a copa, let go of the right, lift up for 1 turn, push down for a second. Now a little game, we help from the shoulder, 1, 2, like in chufla, uncross the hand, and bring her back with a 1.5 turn. And the tango slide, it's really fun. 1, 2, 3, bend your left knee as much as you can so you can extend that foot. And push the lady, whoo, so she can drag you along. And let's see that to music.